Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 223. If we start off with this column here, looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, so 1, 5. 5 here, so 1, 9. So that means our 5 has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 5, 9. 5 and 8 here. So 3, 9. 5 and 8 here and a 9 here. So this is our 3. That makes this our 9. So then this is our 5 and 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. And I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 4. A 3 here, so this is our 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. A 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 3. A 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 4 here means this is our 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3. 3 here, so 2, 6. And a 6 here, so 2, 3. That means that our 6 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 2. A 1 here, so 4 and 1. For this box, then we're missing 1 and 9, but we've got a 9 here. So 1, 9. That makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 3. An 8 here. Well, that 3 makes this our 2, so this is our 8. That 2 means this is our 3. Oh, and this 1 means this is our 2 and 1. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. And for this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. Got a 6 here, so 9 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.